I decided to do my Google Maps project on all the softball teams I've been on and all the fields we've used. And the first softball field I've ever played on was Hartwell Park in Long Beach. And I played rec ball there. And rec ball is basically the league where the younger girls play in. And the league was called Long Beach Hartwell Fast Pitch. And this is the park where most girls who played softball in Long Beach started at. And I was there from 2008 to 2012. Soon after, I joined my first travel ball team. We were called Nemesis, and we practiced in Downey at Discovery Sports Complex, and I only played there for the year of 2013. And then I went to a team named Firecrackers over in La Mirada, and we practiced at La Mirada Community Regional Park, and I played there from 2013 to 2016, and that's the longest I've ever stayed on a team. And then I went over to a team named Ohana Tigers over in Cypress at Arnold Cypress Park, and I played for this team from 2016 to 2017. And then later, I returned back to Nemesis and played there from 2017 until 2019. And an additional fact is that I actually coach. I'm an assistant coach for the team I used to play on. And currently, I'm on the softball team at the University of La Verne. And this is how the field looks like.